decree for war against Sun Quan and Liu Bei. Has your Majesty approved of the decree?
The Prime Minister has just beaten the Northern Wuhan. Our troops and people need respect.
The rebellious Sun Quan and Liu Bei are ruling their own regimes down south. They plot against your Majesty's court. If they are not eliminated in time, your Majesty's Han's court might as well be theirs.
Prime Minister, let me think about this first.
I have waged wars across the lands. Thousands of soldiers have died for the sake of Han's empire. Do you remember your exile? Which, if any, among your royal relatives rescued you? I wonder to this day, if I had not eliminated the traitors, how many would have claimed the throne to themselves? How much more do you need to consider, your Majesty?
I hereby decree the Prime Minister, Chow Chow, be commissioned as the commander of the Great Imperial Army, and go forth and pacify the South.
Suffered a lifetime of failures. This isn't the worst one. Chow Chow thinks he holds the dynasty's fate in his hand.
My lord, I will go to the state of Wu tonight and ask for Sun Quan's support. Though Sun Quan is young, he bears great ambition, and the Sun Clan has ruled the south for long now. They have the strength and wealth to defeat the Chow Chow. Wu needs us as much as we need Wu. Due to my lord's noble heart, he did not abandon the thousands of refugees.
How large is Chow Chow's army?
A ruthless army of around 800,000 are invading from both water and land. Chow Chow's target is not to defeat Liu Bei, but to conquer Wu. If you are ready to oppose Chow Chow's invasion, then please prepare for war.
My lord, do not fight! When the late Duke was alive, he always told me that nothing is more important than the peace of Wu's people.
It's not so bad for the cowardly. In fact, the earlier the better.
If that is so, why didn't Liu Bei surrender?
Confucius spoke of giving oneself to justice, and Mencius spoke of sacrificing for righteousness. Surrendering is not a matter of victory or defeat, but rather one of virtue. If Chow Chow conquers the Southland, he will surely usurp the throne.
You make well-reasoned points.
No, you have been concealing your abilities. Your sword has been hidden away for too long. Now is the time to draw the blade.
Well, let me think it through.
I think you and Zhuge Liang can be great partners.
He looks like he needs friends.
And you look like you need to fight this war.
Prime Minister, desire and obsession leads to many headaches.
Have you not heard that desire makes one young? Her name was Xiao Xia. When I was young, her father thought very highly of me. I saw her only once, and now she's the most beautiful woman in the world, and married to Cao Yu. After I pacify Wu, she will be mine.
This Chow Chow really has some nerve. Smart brother, we'll get through this.
My father was alive. He was known as the Tiger of Southland. My brother was 26. He conquered the Southland. But now I'm 26 and I've done nothing. My achievements can never be compared to theirs.
Brother, if you were the right man, you wouldn't listen or smile.
My lord, what's wrong?
Chow Chow has requested us to surrender. See for yourself.
Brother, you haven't used it for a long time. Have this.
My decision, fight Chow Chow. Final. Anyone dares to mention surrender, they will end up like this table. I hereby appoint Zhou Yu as the Viceroy in Chief, and Jing Fu, Lieutenant Viceroy, and also Lu Su, Consulting Commander. And together, we are going to form an alliance with Liu Bei.
The princess is a true heroine.
Not you. My sister has always admired great gentlemen, but she's so fierce. And I'm worried about her marriage, as it's hard to find great gentlemen.
Brother, what are you talking about?
If Liu and Sun family become relatives, it wouldn't matter how we divide our land and men.
I never thought of remarrying.
Brother, you are drunk. What do you take me for?
How rude could you be?
You have never learned to respect me.
I know from farming, when clouds enshroud the sun, then along the Yangtze River, an unseasonal wind will blow.
What do you mean unseasonal?
A strong southeast wind will blow towards the northeast.
What if Chow Chow knows this tactic too?
Chow Chow does not know this. Only Chow Mao would know this, but he is dead.
This is so brilliant, man. This is a good idea. Genius.
So can you predict when the wind will change, Juge?
Tonight or tomorrow morning. But we must delay his attack. Only then will we have a chance at victory.
History shows the weather is key. He who can predict it will win.
Oh, sure.
We will never make it where the enemies living in time.
I'll effect surrender in action. That way, Chow Chow is sure to believe me. Then I can sell my first ship in rent.
I could never treat a general that way. Do not lose heart. East wind will definitely come.
Our lady has disappeared, my lord!
By the time you read this, I'll be on my way to Chow Chow's camp. I hope that the eastern wind will come. When there is faith, there is hope. I will be cautious and act when the moment is right. This is our home, our beautiful native land. Our people gladly gave their lives for her sake. I cannot stand idly by.
Please withdraw your troops. Victory is all yours. What need is there to fight on?
No! Zoyu shall kneel in front of me for surrender!
I am not here for my husband. I am here for the people.
And I refuse. After this battle, I will have time to save your team.
Just one girl will help you relax.
Fine.
I have done everything that I can. And tonight will decide the fate of the Empire.
Light the fire!
In this alliance, I found our true friends. What may happen, this experience is engraved in my heart.
I too will never forget.
Two, three, action. Action.
I hereby show you as the Viceroy in Chief, Chenku, as the vice
Action.
Why haven't you started? You're not even looking at the...
I'm sorry, man. Because I have to look down, right?
Yeah, okay, so look down.
This is why we should get